Mirrors, God. Hey, Bobo, God. How are this, sir? Guys, I'm going to try. I throw the so slowly. I throw the black pepper through the strainer hole. Why? The old drum mouth I go open up, but what am I going to do? I didn't say that mixture I run belly, but when food cook good, belly turn up. So delicious, man. Finger licking. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Good food. Welcome back to the channel. You know, see the title already, so you know what the video is all about. Yeah, man, but just a go a quick run through. See me. We have some lobster there and barra head well seasoned up curry style. Yeah, so now I have some ackee. So you know me I go a lobster and ackee. First time I go try lobster and ackee. I never eat it yet, so I don't know what it go taste like. I know it go taste good, cause you know lobster naturally nice and ackee, you know, national dish, so I know it go be an epic one. You can see me have my sweet pepper, my tomato, my onion, my scallion and my thyme, you know. Right, just so now, I have a pot of water to scald the lobster them as you can see. So, yeah, so now, I have a nice piece of pumpkin, so I go on with a real yardman style. So stick and stay tuned. Yeah, so when I go do with the lobster them, I go pre-cook them before I fry them. I feel say that way that's the best way to do it, you know. So I can kind of tender the meat itself first. So I go do it. Look what go on, my people. I want to ask you a question. When you broke a coconut and you find this inside of it, as in it a grow, I want to know what you do with it. Because I guess some people throw it away, but like me now, I eat it. And it's very nice, very tasty. You know the coconut, I'm going to do some coconut oats dumpling. So I have to cut up the coconut in order so it can blend, you know. Use instead of me use the water, we just use the coconut juice. You need the dumpling. You get that natural taste. Yeah man, this Fasca oats, the same oats when you know, we're known for making porridge, or you know you can soak it, blend up with a peanut, your okra and your milk. Yeah man, Fasca oats. So we are going to make some coconut Fasca oats dumpling. Yeah, my people, so this me I look for. I'm reach to perfection, just want to scald him, tenderize it. Easier to fry up. I just need the tail part. I don't know what they say meat there. You know, if you get the meat, you have to take them from the shell. If I have a scissors, it would be easier, but I don't have a scissors. I use a knife, but I choose to use my hand. I lobster this, you know. Now I shell them out and get them to small size. Yeah, man. But, People, you check I say head waist. Watch Bob at work. Bob say nothing nah waist, nothing nah dash way. They say Bob hold up a meat in her head. Yeah man. Bob sit down over here putting on a lobster head. Nothing nah waist, nothing nah dash way. Boy, a day we start at night catch free. Natural. Calling living here. Poor man living. You say poor man not live so. You say a rich man I live like how you live. Eh? I say a rich man, no poor man not eat no lobster. Lobster expensive. So one more hungry for about 3 days. Grub. See me people. I want to tell you say last night I just jump in a car and head up in Clarendon so I go look some yam to buy. And unfortunately, I never get none to buy. You told them say Melissa destroy every ground up there. But me end up walk away with some grub. I get them one here free. See it? 3 little piece. You have pumpkin. Remember the dumpling. And then the lobster and the ackee. The curry barra head. Nice meal. Now we are to put the ackee in one bag and cook it in the bag. Just drop it in the pot. But what we are going to do, we are going to boil some water. So the hot water can pass through the bag. So that's how we are steam them then. Because we know when we done cook them already for them, some of them last off in the pot in my people. Because we don't see no enough already. So we do it like this.
What last night, Diego?
Full of water already. I'm not sure. Come on, perfect. Okay, ready. So I go on, my people. They're beautiful. And the Ackee not going as yet. Colorful, man. But I tell you the aroma we are coming from it, I don't want to tell you about it. I want to not try. Try now in the kitchen, whether outdoor or indoor. Yeah, man. Watch the combination now, my people. Watch that. Watch the combination. Look at that. I'm not add a little black pepper yet. Watch the combination, guys. Yeah, man, so black pepper time. So remember the menu: coconut oats dumpling, lobster ackee, yam and pumpkin. I want to tell you, say, if you beat me bad. Me rascal. Hey, Bobo, how are this, sir? Hmm? Guys, I'm going to try. I throw the so slowly. I throw the black pepper through the strainer wall. Why? The old drum out I go open up, but what am I going to do? I'm showing you what I go on. Never want so much in it, you know, my people. You know, so bad still, but too much going on it. Oh, God. Barra head we are line up here now. Yes, yes, my people. Curry barra head. Wow. Yeah, man, you ready now? I want to dry out too much. Like curry barra. lobster Ackee. Yes, my people, the sweetest part of cooking this, I have to share, then eat. How much money around there? Hold on.
Ready?
That's in there.
Go and take this. Carry down for Kira and make dinner with Jim this. Don't put no more in there. Go and carry that for Kira. Tell her dinner to come for you.
Ayan ni, bara Ackee.
Bara man. The Ackee. That's no? And then I got in there.
Um,
Yes, my people, tell about the lobster Ackee and the oats dumpling. Wow. Alongside the curry barra head. But then say that mixture I run belly, but when food cook good, belly turn up. Yeah, man. Some people want to try the oats dumpling, lobster Ackee. You don't have to try the barra head, but try the lobster and the Ackee. So delicious, man. Finger licking. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Good food. Well, you know, meet up and then next video, my people, because you see me busy, they are eat. Come on. People, boy, this morning as me wake up, I start put the video together, and while me I put the video together, me never know say my kids them a listen me and edit the video. So when the part with the black pepper play out, my daughter come to me and say no, she see the reason why the Ackee having so much black pepper. Me not even did know say she did stand up. She did screechy come stand up behind me. Cause she hear but through me keep her on a plate and me a laughing at myself. Me only hear when she give out. No, me see why the Ackee having so much black pepper. But one of them day them people are spill milk. As me explain to them, I'm telling you what happened. And when me couldn't dash it away, you know, me just have to just stuff it out and bear the pepper. So, but in the end, it was a good and nice video. It's always a blood joy for me personal, just hang out and cook with friends and family, you know. Yeah, man. So, I just want to say thank you for your support and continue to show your support, my people. I want you to tell me, go down in the comment section and tell me the next video. What you want to see me do. So, God be with you. Peace forever.